How to update your name servers at HostGator. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through HostGator and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's name server settings. Click the Domains link in the main menu. Then click Manage Domains. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Select the domain you wish to manage. Click Change under Name Servers. Enter your new name servers, then click Save Name Servers. That's it. The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's name server settings at HostGator.